Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Taurus. Today's reading is going to be special, guys. So, these are for your general energies. For your moon energy, we are picking one card and a special message for your relationship. So what you need to do, maybe, so we will see what are these cards as we proceed into the reading, Taurus. So let's start with the cards for your general energy, and as usual I have the pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want to watch that, you can stay tuned for that, guys. Taurus, so let's see what are these cards. It's Three of Earth, Moon, and Six of Earth. So in your circumstances today, Taurus, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are a very dedicated person. So whatever you do it with dedication, and you are a determined person, whatever it may be, whatever the situation may be. You try to do things the right way, and today you have people helping you or working with you. Maybe in your work you have your colleagues or team members working with you, helping you out in some circumstances, and you are happy because it is helping you do things in a better way, and you are working and building together in a very positive way, collaborating in a very positive way, and you are happy for that. And you are someone really friendly, and you have good communication skills, guys. You work well as a team, you work well in a team. So you have people helping you and guiding you in your circumstances. And today, maybe in your relationship, you expect certain things from this person. Maybe you were thinking of them to give you some answers, maybe, or maybe reciprocate something, or you expected certain things from them, but they are someone who will fulfill all your dreams and goals. Maybe you have plans for your future, whatever it is, but their intentions and their goodness is not yet visible to you. Maybe something is obstructing your vision. You may not understand them completely for some reason, but they are someone good, and at that perfect time you will have that beautiful understanding with this person. That is what I see, guys. Maybe this may not be the time for you, not the right time for you, maybe. And even in your work situation, Taurus, maybe certain choices you decide on or certain things you expect, maybe, though you are working hard, trying to do your best, whatever it is, you are putting in your best efforts, but still there may not be results coming right away. But you can be rest assured that great opportunities are waiting to unfold. You just need time. You just need that right time, perfect time to unfold in your life, guys, Taurus. So for your moon energy, Taurus, let's see what is the card. So we have new moon eclipse expect a powerful change. So, looks like there is a powerful situation unfolding. So, whatever decision you make, it will lead to something much better than where you are at the present moment, guys. So, you can be happy for that. You have to be prepared because this ride, it's going to be quite uncomfortable, jarring, something new coming, maybe lots of twists and turns, but whatever it is, you are going to appreciate these changes happening later, guys. Maybe now you may not understand the true need or the true worth of these changes happening, but you will know its worth once you see those changes and what it does to your life, Taurus. So, powerful changes are happening in your life today, guys, Taurus. So, let's see what is your special love message for the day, Taurus. Patience. So, with this card, it just means that this may be the time for you to, show how much you love this person, or put that power of love into practice, because you may see a difficult circumstance, it may be challenging, but you need to understand that there is a divine order of things, and at the right time things will unfold in the right way, and good things come to those who wait. So you must understand that, guys, Taurus. So that is the message for your love situation, Taurus. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, please watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, it says 12 Dancing Princess, Enchantment. So maybe in your circumstances, in your relationship, or in your situation today, you are in love with someone deeply and you are willing to let go of your dreams and freedoms for this love. You are willing to sacrifice your dreams. But before doing that, you must find out whether this love is worth it, whether this love is worth letting your dreams die. So you must think and decide for yourself, guys. Think honestly within your heart of hearts whether it will be truly worth taking up something, some greater responsibility, something that involves giving up your freedom, giving up something you love. And you need to be clear if you are making some important choices today. You must do it with clarity. And maybe whatever confusion or doubts you have today, you will find the right person, the person who will be worthy of you, worthy of your love. So that person is coming towards you. But before that, you need to understand what you truly want. You must know what is your expectation and what are your dreams. And no matter what your situation is, you are changing, you are growing so much emotionally and spiritually, and there is a greater maturity happening within yourself. You may not understand it, but you are changing so much emotionally and spiritually. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and you will be taking up greater responsibilities that involves your what to say, a lot of burdens on your shoulders maybe. But if it is something concerning you giving up something for this responsibility, you must think twice whether it is truly worth it, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys, and it says Carnelian. So with this Crystal Spirit, it just means that there is strength in any relationship if you allow yourself to be vulnerable, because being intimate and building that trust can only be done when you let yourself be seen truly what you really are in your heart of hearts. So you must be confident that all you have to offer to your partner, confident about all you have, and that way your relationship will flourish, guys. So this Crystal Spirits reminds you that you are a wonderful person as you are, and you can be happy. Rest assured, hold your head high, because you are a good person and you can be confident thinking of that, and you are that pillar of strength, beautiful, and you are an unique spirit, and you deserve the relationship you want for yourself. And this Crystal Spirit's guidance is that universe is working that you see that you have that relationship you simply wish to have. So you can feel confident, be confident in your own skin, be who you are, trying to be really open about what you truly feel and show this other person what you are. That way you are building this relationship on truth and trust, and that will work magically, guys, and you will have a better understanding with each other. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.